Wait. Yeah, you can start. I'll need one here.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I can see the excitement build up yet again. We've had a lovely day. We have discussed the future and scope of many issues that cinema today is involved with, and we have yet another very interesting perspective on cinema for you. As you can already see in conversation with Mayank, is the future of not just the Gen X, Gen Now. He is Gen Now, and we are going to be talking about the future of the hero. Ladies and gentlemen, Mayank in conversation with the one and only, and thank God there's only one and not the Judwa, Varun Dhawan, ladies and gentlemen!
भाइयों बहनों, इसको बंद करेंगे तो हम लोग शुरू करें अपना वार्तालाप. हाँ? This will have to stop. Okay. आप सबका आखिरी सेशन में स्वागत है. आखिरी सेशन ऑफ जागरण सिनेमा समिट. It's been a very, very long day. We've gone through sessions after sessions. We had a pretty long one right before this, Varun. और मैं एक ही चीज कहना चाहता हूं आप सबसे कि अगर आप थके हुए हैं तो आपका ध्यान किधर है? हमारा हीरो इधर है. Who says that about himself, yeah, Varun? कि मैं हीरो हूं?
When you're a hero in a David Dhawan film, then you say it.
Obviously, what we'll be talking about, Varun, is the future of stardom, as it were. And there are two reasons why you are the best person for this. The one most obvious reason is the fact that you are the millennial star among all the lot that we have. Right before this, we were discussing with producers, and they were talking about how the top stars in their 50s already, but you're the perfect one in the right place at the right time and the right age, 30. That's one. The second reason, Varun, is that you've also grown up around stars, and you have a perspective that a lot of people won't have. What did the stars that you grew up with, what did they tell you that you've kept in mind? I'll start with, say, someone like Salman. Salman would be in your house pretty much all the time. What is it they told you about stardom that you possibly remember as an anecdote?
See, firstly, I think, what is stardom? Stardom is a person's ability to connect with his fans. An actor cannot become a star if the people don't make him. And that's the most important thing. I mean, a lot of people, I remember this as a kid, that they would say this about my father, that, you know, he has this insane box office record, his films work at the box office. But whenever we were at home and we would be having a conversation, he would always say, this is just the love of the people. I make films for people. I have passion to make films because of people, because tomorrow when I'm in a public place and some lady comes to me and she tells me, "Arey, aapki picture dekhi, bahut acha laga." Someone came and, so many people have come and told me in my childhood, "Arey yaar, you know, mere papa bahut bimar the और बहुत उदास हो गए थे, हम लोग लेके गए आपके पापा की पिक्चर देखने और बहुत खुश हो गए उसके बाद, उनकी तबीयत ठीक हो गई." You know? So this is stardom for me. When you have that power to heal people, to put a smile on people's faces, to connect with them. You know, I don't think too many things have changed. 20 years back, जब original जुड़वा release हुई थी, तब internet technology ये सब नहीं था, social media नहीं था. सलमान खान तब भी star थे, अभी star है, अभी और भी बड़े star है. And that's because he's connecting with his fans. Constantly, he's still connected with them now. He's connected with them through social media. He's connecting with them through the internet. He's connecting through them through the theaters, radio. There are more avenues to connect. So I think that's what makes it. You don't take it for granted. I think that's what Salman Bhai told me, at least. After my first film got over, he said, "Chal, ye to chal gayi, par ab kya karega?" And that's so correct. You'll do your first film, will work, but when you then come into a position that you can choose, your first film chooses you.
Right.
I mean, what do you do then? When you get a chance that, "Acha, main ye karu ya ye karu ya ye karu," then it's key. Then if you choose the wrong film that the audience doesn't want to watch, wo log utha ke phek denge phir.
Right. The other friend of your father's would be Govinda. Yeah. And Govinda, as anyone who's ever met him, is a jnani. You know, he's full of lots of gyan in terms of quotes. And I almost live by his philosophies. Some of them are really fantastic. Did he give you any gyan?
Oh, As a kid, I don't know why he would actually Chichi Bhaiya would joke a lot. He said ये बड़ा बनकर अजय देवगन type का actor बनेगा मुझे लगता है. This is what he found me very intense, or he thought that I'll be a very intense or a more dramatic actor. I was very small. I would not discuss acting with him so much at that time. I was just, in fact, when I would see him acting, मुझे लगता था कि ये इतना easy है, क्योंकि वो बस आते थे, एक बार पढ़ते थे. He has a photographic memory which is unbelievable. एक बार पढ़ते थे and they would discuss the scene और ऐसे ही कर देते. तो मुझे लगा अरे यार ये तो बहुत आसान है. But then actually when I started going to Barry John and started learning acting and started studying it and started my process, I realized it's so difficult, and I realized how goddamn talented this man is.
Right.
He's truly gifted.
But you know, there is also the cosmic relationship between the audience and the star, which nobody is able to figure out. Otherwise, everybody would be a star. If you were to compare...
No, it's very easy to figure out. It's love.
It's love.
बस प्यार है.
But प्यार क्यों होता है? वो भी तो थोड़ा X factor है ना?
वो प्यार क्यों होता है मतलब आप किसी को भी पूछ लो जो प्यार में है. प्यार क्यों होता है? क्यों होता है प्यार? बस हो जाता है ना? इसको पूछो. डर रहा है. पहले तो जो लोग प्यार करते हैं वो डरते नहीं है. इसलिए when you're someone's fan आप मतलब सीना ठोक के बोलते हो यार मैं इसका फैन हूँ. मैं जाऊँगा इसके पिक्चर के लिए जाऊँगा. You're open about it. You're fearless. And that's the relationship like a star or an actor has with the audience. It's fearless. When you love that actor, I remember when I was a kid, so I would get that pocket money and I would go to watch only those films of the stars that I loved. मैं वही फिल्म देखने जाता था, मैं चंदन में जाता था या गेटी में जाता था, और मैं स्टॉल में ही बैठता था क्योंकि in the stall, when I would sit in the stall, they would be hooting and screaming for the hero that I loved. So I would feel so.
Which was whom?
Which was so. I mean, there's Salman Khan, there's Sanjay Dutt. I would love watching Baba's films in Gaiety. I mean, it's another, matlab, you're watching another film only. It's unbelievable. Chichi Bhaiya, Akshay Kumar. I've loved all of them. I've loved all of them. I mean, while growing up. I remember watching Kaho Na Pyar Hai also in Chandan. And
first day, first show?
First day, first show.
Wow.
And I remember when you walk out of Chandan, I was standing over there. And one uncle came and said, "Ye ladka to heera hai, ye ladka." I mean, these are the things you hear, and that's when you realize that this actor or this person is going to become a star.
Right. And then they remain stars for a while, and then they fade away. Now, there is Salman Khan, there is Govinda. Salman Khan is still right at the top. Govinda is not. If you were to be a film critic for like 5 seconds.
No, I can't do that.
But if you were to think of it.
बहुत difficult job है.
Yeah.
मैं नहीं कर सकता वो.
But why do you think one person succeeds for a longer period of time? Like, say, how do you explain the success of, say, a Salman Khan or a Shah Rukh Khan or an Amir Khan? They've been around for donkey's years, yeah. They're still right at the top. What explains, according to you, the reason for their stardom even now?
I mean, it's always, see, as much as people like putting people up, people love to see a hero fall. It's just life. I mean, that happens. So it's sad that when that happens, it's your choices of films eventually. Yeah. I mean, it's as an actor, I can just say that you have to choose the correct films. There's evolution. Time is changing. Like we speak right now. I mean, even, I'm sure this must be happening to you. Today, I just did this ad, by the way, and I got directed by this 26-year-old girl. Her name is Reema. She was 26 years old. And she was fantastic. She knew her job better than most other older people I've worked with. And I was just like, if this is the future, I mean, our future is in great hands, you know. Because she knew exactly what she wanted. She was like tunnel vision. And that was great. But we are evolving. Now I'm 30. She's 26. There's a 4-year gap. But she was more in touch with what the scene is, what kids want to watch today, or what the vibe is today, what people want to see today. आजकल लोगों को क्या देखना है जो छोटे उम्र के. मैं भूल गया था. 5 साल पहले जब मैं आया था तो मैं बोलता था अरे यार मुझे ये पता है मुझे. And I actually knew 5 years back. I knew what kids wanted. But अभी मैंने अपने आप को अपडेट नहीं किया. मुझे नहीं पता है. मैं इतना घूम फिर नहीं रहा हूँ. मैं ट्रेंड्स नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ इतना जितना मैं पहले देखता था जब मैं स्कूल या कॉलेज में था. So I don't know. But उस लड़की को पता था. So I had to learn from her.
Right.
You know, and I was happy that she, at the age of 26, she could tell me exactly, Varun, ये करना, ये करना. और जब भी मैं कुछ ज़्यादा फिल्मी करता था, it's like नहीं, ये नहीं, ये. So she gave me proper direction and it helped me. I think I'm really looking forward to this ad. I'm not promoting this ad, but I'm just saying.
Well, you haven't named the product. Speaking of which, Varun, by the way, was shooting an ad in Mira Road, and we had a conversation yesterday, and he was going to leave Mira Road at 5 o'clock, and he said, is it okay if I come around 7-ish? Because 7-ish is when we were supposed to start. I said, don't worry about it, Varun, we'll wait. He said, no, we're talking about the future of stardom. I can't have people waiting here. And that's the new future of stardom in that sense. You won't make anyone wait. Your father's waited for Govinda for years, huh? By the way.
He did for a lot of people. Yeah. But no, I think that's part and parcel of how things would work at that time. But today, I mean, you have to respect each person's time. Each person's time is valuable, it's important. And you got to respect that eventually, you know, everyone. And one more thing I would really want to say this, that stardom जो मिलती है वो सिर्फ एक, मतलब, there are a lot of people जो behind the scenes काम करते हैं. जो gaffers है, जो spot boys है, जो assistants है, day and night these people are working so that you look good on screen. They work so hard so that you are loved by people. So stardom cannot be achieved without these people, in fact, without the entire film fraternity. If any one person is a star, he cannot fight the entire film fraternity and become a star. It's not possible. You have to get love from your family first, and then other people will give you love.
Right. Talking about the cusp of change that we are at in terms of stardom, now you would go and watch films of, say, Salman Khan, regardless of what that film was, you would watch it in the front row of Getty Galaxy or Chandan or wherever it is that you went. And there was a massive audience that would do it and has done it over years, right?
Still doing it.
Is still doing it. Now, the new change that has taken place is, there was a time when Salman Khan could just show up on screen as himself and there would be those numbers. Even Salman Khan has to make an effort and play a character now. Is that the change?
He just wants you all to think that. He puts in a lot of effort. He's a very, very, I'm sure Mini will agree with me, he's a very hardworking actor and he always has been. But he wants you to think it's easy. It's not easy. He puts in a lot of effort to look the way he does, to act the way he does, and does everything. But today, I mean, since we're talking about 2017 now and the future, today content is the star. Definitely content has become the star. Audiences, at least this year, जो 2017 में जैसा साल रहा है, people are waiting. Films are not opening to that number like we all wished or we want to. And that's scary because people are waiting that Friday रात को क्या review आता है, किसी से पूछ लेते हैं, अच्छी है, बुरी है, कैसी है. फिर 1000 लोग अपना review लिखते हैं, कुछ अच्छा, कुछ बुरा, कुछ किसी ने देखा भी नहीं वो फिर भी लिख देगा. मुझे पता है कि ये फिल्म बुरी है, मैंने देखी नहीं पर मुझे ऐसा feel हो रहा है. So then all that, you have to battle all that today.
Sure.
But I feel that when there's a love between an audience and an actor, they'll still come. The first 2-3 days, but अगर आपकी film अच्छी नहीं है, then it won't work, that's for sure. Only a good film should work.
You're in fact the only star who's been around the scene since the advent of social media. You've been right from day one, social media was already big. Most others were before that, and they would have seen a change. Do you think social media has really aggravated the whole perception of how a film will be taken by the public? Like, no movie is as terrible as it's made out to be. No movie is as great as it's made out to be either.
Totally. You know what's happened with social media? I don't see, there are social media stars also who are stars in their own right, और social media पे बहुत entertaining है और बहुत मजा आता है. But can they open a film, or can they guarantee you that number by endorsing your film? No. Because our country is very big, you know. जैसे ये साल ट्रेंड रहा है कि फिल्म ज़्यादा चली है दिल्ली और यूपी में. हार्टलैंड की फिल्में ज़्यादा चल रही है क्योंकि there's a more connectability, there's a more relatability. Maharashtra, which is the biggest, the biggest percentage of revenue that comes to cinema comes from Maharashtra, from our state. And this year, Mumbai and these places have not put up the best numbers. So the Mumbai audience is a different audience from probably the Delhi audience or from the Bangalore audience. Mysore, they say more multiplex films work. So that audience is different. So you have to realize that a star is that person जिसकी फिल्म हर जगह चलती है. मल्टीप्लेक्स में चलेगी, सिंगल स्क्रीन पे चलेगी, टीवी पे चलेगी, इंटरनेट पे चलेगी, अमेज़न या नेटफ्लिक्स पे आएगी, वो आदमी स्टार है. So the word star is misused, totally misused. See, nobody, हाँ, मैंने पिक्चर की जहाँ मैंने खुद को हीरो बुलाया, ठीक है, मैंने स्टार नहीं बुलाया अपने आप को. स्टार मेरे हिसाब से कभी-कभी मीडिया बहुत जल्दी लोगों को स्टार, मतलब अच्छा तो लगेगा ही, आज ये आए थे, ये स्टार आए थे, बट टू बिकम अ स्टार इज मतलब इट्स समथिंग एल्स यार. इट्स नॉट दैट, मतलब जब 100 people just come and touch you, that's not what a star is. You're liked as an actor for sure. A star is that mass hysteria यार, that comes, मतलब वो अभी superstar है यार मेरे हिसाब से, मतलब राजेश खन्ना is that big massive superstar. Right. What stories I heard. Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan. I mean, these are not tags we should give away very easily.
Right. But you know, one of the things that you've said.
Do you agree that the media gives tags away a little easily?
Yeah, Varun, I'm making a conversation with you. You're not
no, I want to ask
questions
but, no.
that we can have later.
no, I'm just asking you. It's like a...
Sure, no, I think the point you're trying to make is the difference between a celebrity and a star. And the fact that you've seen someone in a hoarding for far too long, you may actually see that person in real life. There could be hysteria in a mall, but that doesn't mean that public will actually pay money to watch that person's film.
Because वो free है.
Right.
क्योंकि हम जब भी actors को देखते हैं public events पे, मेरे साथ भी हुआ है, packed. Amity University में तो ऐसा लगता है कि वहाँ ही खड़े हैं, खाली actor आ रहे हैं बार-बार. It's packed and they're screaming and they're hooting, but theater में आते ही नहीं है लोग. उसका क्या मतलब हुआ? It's थोड़ी तो हिपोक्रेसी है हमारी इंडस्ट्री की. YouTube पे यार आज, मतलब मैं खुद करता हूँ, 10 मिलियन व्यूज हो गए, 20 मिलियन व्यूज हो गए, 100 मिलियन व्यूज हो गए. थिएटर में कोई आया? All this doesn't really, this doesn't translate into this. These are all things used to manipulate perceptions into creating stardom. मतलब आपको आंसर चाहिए स्टारडम का, तो वो बॉक्स ऑफिस देगा. तो इस साल अगर मैं आप सबसे पूछूं कि इस साल एक्चुअली स्टार कौन है, करेक्ट, और एक और बंदा है नए, अपने बारे में नहीं बात करो, नवाजुद्दीन ऑब्वियसली बेस्ट, कौन? आयुष्मान खुराना, करेक्ट आंसर. राजकुमार राव, कृति, भूमि ने 3 हिट दिए इन अ रो. She's given Dam Laga Ke Aisha, she's given Toilet, and now she's given Shubh Mangal Savdan. And this is not, I'm saying, I still feel like Ayushmann, Bhumi, they are brilliant actors, they've done very well. I don't think that they've got that perception push as yet of being called a star, but something they've done right this year. Right. In a year जहाँ कुछ नहीं चल रहा है, दोनों ने आके मतलब hit दे दिए यार, that's a very big thing. That is a star. And I mean, if you're saying 2017 में, right. Something Ayushmann is definitely doing right कि people are trusting him यार, नहीं ये तो कुछ तो अच्छा कर रहा है ये. मतलब I'm watching his film, मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है, I'm going and seeing it again. I saw Bareilly Ki Barfi and I remember having this conversation. My dad told me this after Bareilly Ki Barfi that, yaar, I really like Rajkumar. I feel that, you know, I want to make a film with this boy. I get that feeling. He said, I get that feeling. I feel he's and for me also, Rajkumar, I think, is doing some of his best work from this generation. Right. Definitely, I think he's a star.
His year, yes.
Yeah. And I definitely feel these actors don't get, मतलब हम लोग ट्वीट कर देंगे, ये कर देंगे, वो कर देंगे, पर जितना प्यार इनको मिलना चाहिए, वो अब I think जिस तरीके का साल है 2017, 2018, 2019, you're going to see this big crop of actors actually become bankable good stars. Right.
I mean, I was doing an interview with Akshay Kumar, and he was talking about how he's changed himself over the years, and really very few actors have managed to ride so many waves one after the other. And then one of the things he said was what's happened with the audience right now is that they want to see, when they see an actor on the screen, even if they've known the actor for years, as it would be the case with Akshay, they want to see how much effort has this man put to play this role, something that did not happen before. Would you agree with him?
I totally agree with him. You know, when I did a film, ABCD2, a lot of people told me, "Arey, you're doing this film." There was not too many hopes on the film. But the kind of effort that went into making that film, there was 8-9 months of training, dancing with some of the best dancers of this country, Raghav, Dharmesh, and they are stars in their own right. Huh? Right. They are known, they're household names, these boys. It was a lot of effort for me and Shraddha. We, like, day, night, we put in our lives actually for that film. Remo sir made us do that. And I don't know how much the acting of that film got praised, but बहुत लोगों ने बाहर आके बोला, अरे यार मेहनत तो बहुत की है लोगों ने, जाके देखो ये film. This lot of people told me, अरे you worked very hard for that film. I said, but you enjoyed the film? Yeah, yeah, but you worked very hard. I said, I work very hard for all my films. I hope you know. नहीं, but इसमें दिखा मेरे को. So I said, हाँ, because maybe it was more physical, that's why. But yeah, they enjoyed. Even with, you know, with Badlapur, I actually get little, sometimes the press, everyone tells me, people, so many boys, they come and Badlapur, you were amazing, man. You were in that zone. You did everything. And I did get into a zone for that film, for sure. You did this. But I actually do that for every film. I mean, I've just done Judwa. Who's to say that that film didn't psych me out? I'm playing double roles.
Right.
It's a major part, I mean, it's a major part of your personality that you're twisting and shaking, sometimes playing little bit like weak, sometimes playing super strong and, you know, sometimes offending people with some lines in the film or whatever. I mean, your personality is shifting 24/7. So when I sleep, either I dream of Raja and I feel Raja is dreaming of Prem. It can psych you out. I'm saying almost if you really get into it.
Right.
You know, however seriously people take the film or not, that's a different thing. But I'm saying mentally, these things play on an actor. So an effort तो होती है. ये नहीं कह सकते कि actor कोई भी actor effort नहीं डाल रहा है. Effort तो डालते हैं, बहुत सब डालते हैं. चाहे film नहीं चलती है, but actors definitely बहुत effort डालते हैं.
Well, there was also a time back in the day, especially in the 90s, when the same actor could do about, say, 5 or 6 films a year, and they would. And don't tell me it's the same effort that they put into 5 or 6 films a year as against one.
Did you enjoy the 90s?
I loved the 90s.
I love the 90s.
Yeah. It's also nostalgia. It's also growing up. Those are the years. So, do you think it's become harder in that case for actors or stars now because they can't do 5 films a year? They have to put all their life's risk or that year's risk into one film. Chali ki nahi?
Why is that? Is it, see, it's not like every film that the Hindi film industry is making. Abhi, har film to Bahubali nahi bana rahe hum log. वो एक बाहुबली बनी थी, which was a massive film, और वो देख के लगता है कि चलो 2-3 साल 4 साल लगेगी ऐसी फिल्म बनाने के लिए. You know, today when Sanjay Leela Bhansali makes a film, you know that this man is going to, he's putting in so much work, research, this, that, so it's going to take 2-3 years to make a film. Now when I did Badrinath की दुल्हनिया, हम लोग ने 60 days shooting की थी, और फिर जो भी पोस्ट वोस्ट हुआ 2 महीने की एडिटिंग करके तो तकरीबन 8 महीने में बन गई थी. एक्टर के कितने दिन गए? 60 डेज गए बनने में, और फिर 10-20 दिन चलो बहुत प्रमोशन की, 20 दिन गए प्रमोट करने में, तो तकरीबन हो गए 80 डेज. साल में है कितने डेज? So what are you doing for the rest of the? I feel we can still do more films, Mayank. The problem is everyone's got little psyched. We are worried. We second guess ourselves today, not as actors, not as a film industry. We second guess ourselves today as a society. The world is second guessing themselves today. You're worried today कि अमेरिका और नॉर्थ कोरिया के बीच में क्या हो जाएगा यार? ऐसे लग रहा है कि WWF का मैच चल रहा है. जो lines they are throwing at each other. No, I'm saying it's. I'll tell you what. You're second guessing yourself, so you can't do more films. So any film you do, you'll be like, अरे मैं ये सही जाएगा या ये गलत जाएगा, ये ठीक होगा या नहीं ठीक होगा.
So basically you're saying that if you did 4 or 5 films in a year and all of them, one after the other, did not do well, in the case of Akshay Kumar, there will be like 10 flops and then 10 hits thereafter.
No, Akshay Kumar is a rarity.
Okay, fine.
I think he's a leading example of a strong mind. 100%. He's someone that today's generation should follow because he has a very strong head. If he gets some criticism, it doesn't bother him, he'll move on. If he gets praise, he'll take it, he'll smile, he'll move on. But he's moving on, he's working 24/7. Right. Today, जो younger breed, I'm telling you very honestly what happens. हिल जाते हैं criticism से भी. हम सब हिल जाते हैं. We don't know how to deal with it. अरे यार, ये हो गया, ये बोला मेरे बारे में. फिर सोचेगा आदमी, क्यों बोला यार ये ऐसे, मैंने क्या किया? अच्छा मेरी शर्ट की टकिंग गलत थी, कुछ में ऐसे. You get it's happening to it's a thing which is happening to all the millennial generation, and a big cause of it is social media.
Right.
It causes depression, it causes these things, and that's why this happens to. And see, we're talking about young actors who are getting into it, so as if they are not affected by it.
Right. And still you are the #1 star on Twitter in 2016. Well, that according to research that we've come up with, which Twitter gave us,
Must
which
be
ran
right,
as our lead story at the beginning of the year.
I trust you all.
No, not me. Twitter.
I trust them also.
Yeah, but Twitter data says. So you're quite on the ball so far as social media is concerned. it's not like Kangana, who we had a conversation with earlier in the day, who stays away, who does not want to see what people are saying about her because that might just damage her in terms of...
I think that's a fair point she makes, but 100%, it can mess with your head. So you have to be strong. Like, I mean, for the film, Sujit Sarkar's film I'm doing, he's told me to go off social media, so I will be for that because he doesn't want me to think about all these things. But I think if anyone is on social media, you have to realize कि जो डालना था डाल दिया, जो कर दिया, move on. After that, don't vent on it. That gets everyone into problem. Don't vent.
The other thing that you've said in the past, Varun, is that you don't want to be a city star. Yeah. You don't want to be a star in 5 or 6 cities. You want to be, I think what you mean by that is the hardcore pan-India star, or at least pan-North India star.
Now, I mean the entire
India,
country.
मतलब बाहुबली में काम करना.
Yeah. I think it's very sad that our films don't work in the South. Why do we say in the South? I mean, I know it's the South part, it's the South side of our country, but why do we say that? It's our country, it's India. Our films should work everywhere. I pray, if I go to sleep, I pray Judwa does really well in Jammu and Kashmir. It's part of my country. I pray it does very well in Northeast. It's part of my country. I pray it does very well in Andhra, in all these areas. It's part of my country. Those people over there are my brothers and sisters. They should go watch my film. Why not?
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
No, definitely. They all are.
Sure.
That's why a film like Bahubali showed us this, that power is there, that star. Prabhas today is a star. Prabhas star hai ya nahi hai? Massive love for him. There's incredible love for him.
Have you come here to promote Rajkumar Rao, Prabhas, Akshay Kumar?
We are talking about future of stardom. So
Sure.
I mean, I honestly feel I still have a long way to go.
But tell me something. It seems to me, from everything that I've read about you, that from a very young age, you wanted to be a movie star. Am I right?
You're right.
And then you go ahead and do an MBA. Why? Why would
not MBA? Before. BBA.
Right. Now, when you want to appeal to a pan-India audience, you would need to know your demographic. You would need to know who these people are. It's one thing to say all Indians are my brothers and sisters, but it's one thing to go there in Jammu and Kashmir, meet this person, whether he like your film or not. When you live in a Bandra Juhu world, does that form some sort of disconnect between the audience and you?
It definitely does, because how are you going to understand what they are thinking? And I'm very fortunate that I am an actor, so I get those opportunities. Like when I did Badri, we went to Kota. We stayed there for 35, 40 days. I met a lot of people. I learned a lot of things. I understood a lot of stuff. Luckily, because I'm from Mumbai, so if I have to play a character from Mumbai, I have to say things like, "Bhai, ek number." These things will come very naturally to me because I am from here. This is me.
Right.
I'm a Mumbaikar. But even when I have to play a Delhiite, there is a lot of research which will have to go into that. There'll be people I need to spend time with, and I do that on my own time, in my own way.
Right.
Which, so what I can do as an actor is choose those type of films, you know.
Right.
Like my future lineup is I'm doing a Sujit Sarkar film, then I'm doing a film with Sharat, which is called Sui Dhaga, also which is somewhat of a heartland film. I'm going to get to learn so much about
Sharat
that.
Kataria, who
Sharat
made
Kataria,
Dum Laga
Dum
Ke
Laga
Aisha.
Ke Aisha.
Right.
So I'm going to get to learn so much from Sharat when I do that film, and hopefully be able to use that into my...
So you plan to do this on the job, as it were? Because I know I read an interview of yours where you said that you wished you had lived more experiences. What did you mean by that?
I just wish I could have seen more life. I mean, so basically when you do a scene where you lose a loved one, now until you've not lost a loved one, how do you know how to act that scene out? What is your reference for that? Right. What is your idea? Obviously the director will tell you this, that will happen, but that actual emotion, वो जो दर्द है जब कोई गुजर जाता है, God forbid it doesn't happen to anyone, but it's life, it does. How do you show that? You have to live life for that. I mean, it can happen at a young age also, but as you live life, you'll go through breakups, makeups, probably a person will get married, he'll have children. Now today, if I have to play a father, I will never know the true essence of playing a father till I don't have a child. I genuinely feel that. I will never know what is I mean, I always ask my mother that, Mom, I don't understand why you feel so much love for me. What is this instinct? And she always tells me, when you have your child, Varun, you'll understand what this is, what parenthood is or whatever. So I'm saying you have to, as an actor, you have to live life. So I mean, I don't pray that I get more experiences which are dark and all, but I mean, I've learned things. Like I've seen my father aging. I'm seeing him aging now. I'm seeing him directing.
There was a health scare as well.
There was a massive health scare while making a film, and that was a very scary situation for me. The emotions that I went through in that 1 minute were the most terrifying emotions I ever felt, ever. And coming back to acting, one of my acting coaches told me that this is it's a very sad thing or a very bad thing I'm telling you, but एक time ऐसे आ जाएगा, और ये बहुत actors के साथ होता है, कि कुछ दर्दनाक हो रहा है, कुछ बहुत बुरा हो रहा है, and you're going through that, but you're also observing that. A part of you is also observing this कि यार ये ऐसे हो रहा है, मैं ये feel कर रहा हूँ, ये feeling पहले नहीं हुई थी, ये feeling हो रही थी. I mean, it makes all actors sound like
scavengers,
assholes, I was going to say, but I mean, it's not an easy job.
Right.
So yeah.
Right. I mean, I saw one interview of yours where you broke up with your girlfriend, and you were actually happy about it because then you'll feel pain, emotional pain at least, and that went on for 4 months, and then she came back to you and said, no, I want to feel this pain. Is that true?
I was very small. But yeah, that is true. That is true.
Another thing that most people don't realize, and at least in your case, is that it's not that because you belong to a film family.
They're going to feel the future of stardom is weird.
Huh?
They're going to feel the future of stardom is very weird.
It's rather twisted.
It's quite twisted.
Is that there's an assumption that just because someone belongs to a film family, they come from privilege. But actually, when you were a kid,
no, it's not a assumption. It is.
Right.
I mean, it is fairly true in that sense that you have a better entry into the film industry. You have more people you can talk to. You can discuss what you want to do with. You have more gates are open to you. That all is true. It's not an assumption. But the assumption is this: that each person is from a different background.
Right.
Like today, now again, I'm not praising another actor, but Vicky Kaushal is Shyam Kaushal's son. He's an action director's son.
Right.
I'm sure he must have had some help, but it's not so much help like anyone's thinking. He's had a massive struggle to probably make his way through. And I mean, I can say how much ever I have to say about my struggle, but it'll be like cutting a sorry figure, and that's not the human being I am.
no, but you did have a struggle in the sense of you did audition, if I'm not mistaken, for Life of Pi.
Dhobi Ghat.
You did audition for Dhobi Ghat. Any other film that I cannot recall right now? Go for it.
There were a couple of TV shows I auditioned for.
No way.
No, I'm serious.
Yeah?
I would go write down another name. So I have this friend Kavish, and me would go, and he would take me. We would go for auditions, and I would write down like other names, and because I went through this big dilemma that do I deserve to be here, or am I good enough to be here? And the truth is, I did fail a lot of these auditions. I failed a lot of these auditions. पहले तो मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था ये लोग कैसे कर रहे थे, क्योंकि and I've been on both sides because I was an assistant director. मैंने auditions लिए भी है लोगों के, और मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता था उस वक्त कि यार ये लोग मतलब because मैं वो full phase में जा रहा था acting की, और मतलब ये लोग acting की कदर ही नहीं करते, कैसे behave करते हैं, पानी तो देना चाहिए, चाय तो पूछना चाहिए, एक आदमी कैसे आया, उसके क्या प्रॉब्लम है, भाई आप ठीक हो. And Karan Malhotra is who directed Agnipath. He was the first AD, and he would think I'm mad.
This is My Name is Khan.
This is My Name is Khan.
Right.
So he thought I'm a crack person because he said, "तू क्यों मतलब तू Oprah Winfrey क्यों बन रहा है यार? तू audition ले और जाने दे लोगों." So I went through that whole thing. But no, it's really difficult because there's a lot of competition in this line. So when you go for auditions, I mean, I've heard stories of this one friend of mine, Rajat, who was also in Barry John with me. He had just one cycle. वो जम्मू से आया था. He had one cycle, and he would just take his cycle, go to the audition, and cycle back. And मतलब उधर ही खाता था, उधर ही पीता था, and मतलब उसके सारे पैसे खत्म हो जाते थे. But let me tell people, Rajat's doing very well. He's doing a very big play.
Are you talking about?
Yeah.
Right. Fantastic actor.
Fantastic.
Was the lead?
No, not that
someone
Rajat.
else.
He's another Rajat. He's doing a play in Dubai.
Okay.
But even that Rajat is good.
Yes. Who is not good, yaar?
सब रजत बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं मुझे. Do you know any other Rajat?
No.
Rajat Ravel जानते हो आप लोग?
Is it Rahul Ravels?
No, who was in Bodyguard. He's in Judva also.
Any other Rajats? Any Rajats in the house? Come on, raise your hands. Just make it up.
कोई रजत है यार?
कोई Rajat है? College में था उनके. That doesn't count, yeah. No, but seriously, you would change your name because you didn't want your parents to know that you're going through the rigmarole of auditions, as it were?
I think my dad was a little bit like he would have been a little down. So I had this pressure that I had to start in a big film that he would think is a big film.
From your dad?
My dad would not launch me. He doesn't launch anyone. He's launched only one person, and that's Tapsi.
Right.
Ever. But he's never launched a hero. He's had such a big career. He's never launched a hero. So he was never going to launch me. Never. And my mother came and told me, this man is not launching you. This is not happening. He's not that guy. And I would be like, okay, so then do you think there's something wrong in me that I'm not worth it? Or what's the problem? And she was like, no, she's like, I believe in you, but I'm your, so my mom's a realist. She's like, I believe in you and I think you're very good and this, but I'm your mother. So every mother says that. So I was like, dude, y'all are really confusing me. एक को launch नहीं कर रहा है, एक बोल रही है, praise कर रही है, but praise नहीं कर रही है. So I turned to my brother then.
Right.
And he told me that you go for it, try and get it outside. Do whatever you want. It's going to be a very difficult, like very, very difficult to be able to get a film. But you go and try. Go audition. Actors are supposed to, because Rohit really believes actors are supposed to audition. That's the way. So I was like, okay, I'll go, I'll start auditioning, I'll try here, I'll try there, and this and that. I'll do my thing.
And then Karan Johar just happened? And then Karan Johar just happened?
Pick up, who's it?
No, it's not a call here, it's a message. You want to read the message back?
Let's read it.
Don't be silly. It says video from Vibhor Jagran Film Festival. There's a video up.
Social media.
Did Karan Johar then just happen in the sense of you were assisting him, he sort of knew you?
No, he didn't know me at all.
Okay.
I mean, it's Karan Johar, David Dhawan. They really didn't know each other. They never chilled or anything like that together.
Right.
They were not friends or anything like that. And I went to Dharma Productions and I had like really long hair that time and I was really into wearing baggy clothes and this and that. I was in that phase.
You were in the Jim Morrison phase?
Yeah, I was in a massive phase that, you know, Oliver Stone rules. He still does. And I'm like, you know, that's the type of cinema I want to do. And I walked into Dharma Productions that way. And Karan said, what do you want to do? So I said, I want to assist. I have time. I have time. I know I have not earned this position, but this is the truth what happened. I said, please, can I get a chance? And he's like, I already have so many ADs, but if you want to work in Dharma, you need to cut your hair. So the first thing I needed to do was get a haircut. And then I came back to him and I applied. And then last minute, I got the job as an AD over there.
Right. I mean, you know, I've had this conversation with a lot of people who've grown up in Bombay, have worked in Bollywood films, that have reached out to a whole wide variety of Indian audiences, but their own tastes are so different from the films they've done. Now, if you love Jim Morrison is nothing like Main Tera Hero. Or is it possible to be a fan of both?
It is very possible to be a fan of both. 100%. Why can't you, yeah? 100% you can enjoy comedies, David Dhawan comedies and like an Oliver Stone. 100% you can like an American Psycho and like Andaz Apna Apna.
Right. I mean, you do have a pretty varied taste in that sense. Seeing the best 5 films, and they're quite crazy. I mean,
they're poles apart, but
Swarg is your favorite David Dhawan movie.
Swarg is an amazing story.
I think mine is Hasina Maan Jayegi. Right. And there is... Exactly. So this is something that you picked up and that you used in Main Tera Hero. And I loved you for doing that.
You've seen Main Tera Hero properly, that's true. I used it in one scene. Listen, I said I don't want to do mimicry, but he loves mimicry. The director, he loves mimicry, and that's why I've had to, I did, and I've done quite a bit in, before people like troll me for it after Judva, I'm thinking, मैंने किया है mimicry उधर. और director ने बोला था इसीलिए किया.
Why are you so concerned about trolling? Do you get trolled very often?
Everyone gets trolled. You'll get trolled today.
No, I'm not.
You will, I swear. One bad comment तो will come ना. कुछ तो आएगा कि इसका phone बजा. That means he doesn't respect his work.
Yeah. It's part of my work though.
But
it was from the festival. Well, there's another thing, and this has probably to do with trolling or excessive love, being mobbed. one of the things that happen when you've lived around people in films,
Yeah.
and you observe them very closely, you've seen their ups and downs, when fame actually happens to you, you realize the fickleness of it.
Yeah.
And correct me if I'm mistaken, a lot of people actually have an advantage because they've lived around films to not lose it when they become famous one fine day. Is that an advantage that people who lived around films have, according to you? Like there is old money, new money. Is there such a thing as old fame, new fame?
You're definitely right about what you're saying, but I think it'll still differ from person to person, you know. For me, at least, my family keeps me grounded, for sure, because I am not treated very well by them at home. I mean, I'm still treated like the Varun that I was. They do not think
Do you live with your parents still?
I live with my parents
Okay.
still, and I want to keep living with them. There was an age when I thought, no, I want to shift out and live on my own, but I'm pretty sure I want to continue living with them. I mean, I'm living one floor down now, but it's your family, it's your friends that keep you grounded, and it's honesty. It's honesty. It's a relation. It's how open you keep yourself to taking that criticism. So I've had a wonderful association with the press. I can see so many faces that I know who, film after film, have come to me and told me at times when they've liked me, and they've told me at times when ये इतना जचा नहीं. So बहुत important है कि वो आप खुद को उतना open तो रखो, that people can come and tell you. But I mean, if you go into a room and you're only like and stare at people and be like, who will tell you anything? So ये तो मतलब ऐसे लग रहा है कि कुछ बोलो तो मार देगा. Why will you tell someone like that? But if you are receptive and if a person, you're ready to take it, then yeah, I think people can be honest and it can be really helpful.
But you know, the whole point of stardom is the sex, drugs, and rock and roll. What's the point of being a movie star if you can't like lose it a little bit, no?
बहुत disciplined life है.
Yeah.
Where do you lose it? Tell me where to lose it.
Like go out partying, I guess.
Where to go out partying? You know, हमने cameras are there. Minute you go out partying, उधर Insta story बन जाती है. कोई Facebook live चला जाएगा to his followers. देखो आज मैं इधर हूँ, ये इधर आया है, देखो. You cannot. It's probably people would lose it more if they could, but it's very difficult to lose it now in public.
But you're making it sound damn boring though, na? Like
It's true.
You're like nationally known, loved by women across the world. Do you even go out on dates? Come on.
What do you all think? No, seriously, आप लोग को लगता है कि मैं जा रहा हूँ ऐसे बाहर dates पे और इन लोगों को पता नहीं है. I'm asking them और आप लोगों को पता नहीं, मतलब आप लोग अपना काम ठीक से नहीं कर रहे हो. पकड़ तो लेते हो ना हमेशा. फिर मैं बोलता हूँ कि आज मत खींचना प्लीज यार, ये आ जाएगा. So I have my setting with them.
You have a setting.
I have my
so
setting.
You do go
with
on
them.
dates.
They are very very sweet. हाँ.
Right.
जब भी मैंने बोला है कि यार ऐसे मत ले, आज मत लेना फोटो थोड़ा. हाँ वरुण भाई, हाँ ठीक है. They go and they sit on the bike and they go. Brrr. They're helpful like that. No, obviously, I mean, do I have
an active social life which is more rock stardom life?
It's not really rock stardom.
Okay.
I mean, I get to travel the world. I ran into Ronaldinho that day. That's a massive moment. That doesn't happen to everyone.
Right.
So all that is great in that. But I landed from Budapest at 8 o'clock in the morning. I was doing my radio trail for Judva. I rehearsed for something. I got home at 12:30 at night. I woke up at 6:30 today in the morning, went to Mira Road, and then I came here. So now, which date do I go on?
Between Mira Road and Bandra, I guess. Right? Okay, I'm going to open the house for some fantastic questions that will come. But before I do that, I think it's very, very important, since we're talking about the future of stardom, the one thing that you're known for is actually capturing the past of stardom. And which is that you're one of the best mimics there is in Bombay.
I'm not the best mimic in Bombay.
And I'm going to ask you to do at least 3 mimicries. The first, because you do it so well, the first is one, since you're a fan of the 90s, I'm a fan of the 90s, it has to be Mithun Chakrabarti, guys. Come on, go for it.
Harsha! Kya re Mayank? Kya puch raha hai? Chakran mein leke aa.
Akshay Kumar is everyone's favorite. I'll try one of his. My voice doesn't happen so good, but I mean, it's a joke. सेठ जी, जो मैं बोलता हूँ, वो मैं करता हूँ, और जो मैं नहीं बोलता हूँ, वो मैं WhatsApp करता हूँ.
Third one?
It's a bad one, yaar. This one is. I don't do Shah Rukh sir's mimicry very well. गोविंदा का तो जुको चल एक्चुअली मैं जुड़वा कर रहा हूँ तो उसका ही एक कर लेता हूँ प्रेम का एक इट्स नॉट कम जो मतलब आया है उसका नहीं जो सलमान भाई जब टब में गए थे और करिश्मा शी इज विद प्रेम एंड शी सीज हिम एंड शी स्क्रीम्स हाँ सो सलमान भाई से क्या हुआ व्हाट हैपेंड शी लाइक तुम इधर कैसे ओ वो मैं आपके साथ नहाने के लिए उतावला हो गया था ना सो क्विकली
Benjamin, give it up for Varun Dhawan. Quick questions? Wow. Okay.
What's up? How are you?
As an actor.
Sorry?
When did you start to call yourself an actor?
When did I start calling myself an actor?
Yeah.
I started calling myself an actor, I think, at the age of 16. That's when I wanted to become an actor.
Why? Like, why you started calling yourself at age 16?
So it's a very weird story. So I saw American Psycho when I was in Nottingham, and I just went mad. I saw that film 3 times back to back, and I didn't leave my room for 3 days, and I started enacting the scenes. And because there were no people, I would enact them with the milk carton that I would buy. I would behave like that's a character, or talk to that, or talk to the door. It's the truth. So we have to be on top of our game. We have to back. And an actor will flourish with good content. So as an actor, I'm very greedy for good content. And your first thing, I do feel that after Hrithik Roshan, we haven't seen a superstar. After Madhuri, we haven't seen.
Yes.
No, I agree with you. I agree with you. Definitely, she's very correct about it.
No, but Hrithik Roshan was after
No,
Madhuri.
though I do feel that Deepika Padukone to some...
So,
Hi Varun. Yeah.
so I would like to ask
मैंने
a
नहीं
question.
बोला.
So your fear is that
Troll her.
online somebody will say that you said that. Right? That's your fear.
Anyone can say anything. They can say I said something against any country
Kangana.
also. Yeah, they can say that.
True.
They can say anything. They can say you said something against her.
I didn't say anything. Next
Yeah.
one.
So,
Hi Varun.
bhai. What's
8 films in a row and all are hit. So now Judwa to another blockbuster. How do
Yeah,
you...
fan.
No, wait a
ताली
minute.
बजाओ इसके लिए.
Wait a minute,
How
is
do you...
Is that really true? You have a 100% box office track record?
Yes.
Huh?
Superb.
Fair enough.
8 films. And how do you see your stardom in next 10 years? I mean, where is Varun Dhawan in 2027? And what kind of films we can expect from you?
That's a very difficult question. Yeah, 2027.
Yeah, next 10 years.
I don't know where we'll be. I mean, I don't know what's going to happen. Anything can happen in 2027.
North Korea could be at war with America. No?
कुछ भी हो सकता है भाई बहुत लफड़े चल रहे हैं दुनिया में आजकल तो no hopefully I'll be still here I'll still be doing it I wouldn't have gone mad totally I'll still be doing this I'll be doing more films in 2027 not less films because I think what Mayank said is right if our industry is not going through a very good time and we need to make a change whatever that change is, we need to make that change. We need to come back to being profitable. We need to come back to having a lot more hits, a lot more stars, a lot more better everything.
Right.
For us to reach 2027.
Yeah. Maybe more mass hysteria like Salman Khan for Varun Dhawan in 2027. Who knows?
Bhai,
So, yeah.
You answered it.
you're
Who
a
knows?
real fan.
So, I would like to ask a question.
Last 2 questions, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
Go for it.
I'm your huge fan.
Don't call me sir, but yeah, please, yeah.
Yeah. So, sir, I would like to ask a question that you being
इनको बुला रहे हो sir क्या? मेरे को मत
I'm,
बुलाओ
I'm
sir.
happy to be called, sir.
You being a versatile actor, doing such films like Badlapur, Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya, rom-coms and thrillers, what do you see in a script? Like, how do you select a script as if, do you select a particular genre or do you want a creative satisfaction or a box office records?
I first see that what the director wants to say in the script, how aligned is he to the script that's come. तो उसमें unique बात क्या है? Unique क्या है ये फिल्म में? ये फिल्म क्या कहना चाहती है? Film and I truly don't want to repeat. I try my level best and I don't want to repeat myself in the film. So whether it's in Badri, I'm playing a character from UP. Whether it's Humpty, I play a character from Delhi. Whether it's Badlapur, where I'm playing a older gentleman, a 40-year-old gentleman. Whether it's ABCD, I play a struggling dancer. whether it's Judwa, I'm playing twins. I know we've seen a lot of twin movies, but what actually, if you ask me, the true reason why I was dying to do Judwa as an actor is because there's that action reflex action thing. I feel that's a very unique thing. It's based on twins. There are twins, they're भाई है, but एक को कुछ होता है तो दूसरे को भी कुछ होता है. तो उससे कॉमेडी में खेलने के लिए एक एक्टर को बहुत स्कोप मिलता है. बहुत स्कोप है यार. As an actor, you're getting that scope यार. इसने कुछ कर दिया तो अरे यार इसको भी रिएक्शन हो गया, but मैंने नहीं किया, इसने किया, but कोई नहीं मानेगा. So comedy of errors, which is Shakespeare actually. So actually the material has, which is what Angur was based on.
Exactly.
So you have to go to the source of where your material has come from. And I mean, I did ask my dad that where is this from actually? And he said it's the base of most mistaken identities, comedy films between twins is Shakespeare, comedy of errors.
As with so many romances also. Is Romeo and
Yeah,
Juliet.
exactly.
Right.
It goes back to that. And that did work then. It worked when that other film released. Hopefully it will work in 2017 also, because these stories have that basic human emotion.
One last question, guys.
Pooch. Give him, let him ask. He's really shown confidence.
Oh, he needs to sit, yeah.
Okay, let's take 3 more.
Okay, 3 more.
I know you're
go for it, go for it.
but they're very enthusiastic and loving.
Hello, Varun Dhawan. Myself, Anirudh Kadam, and I'm a huge fan of you.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you, brother.
Varun Dhawan, actually, I want to ask your questions, if you don't mind.
तू वरुण बुला ले. तेरे को हक है, तू बुला ले.
Varun, I saw your. Can I speak in Hindi if you don't mind?
भाई, अरे हिंदी में बात कर, मराठी में बात कर.
सर, मैंने आपके डैडी की फिल्म देखी है, जैसे चोर मचाए शोर, पार्टनर और बाकी सारी पिक्चर्स मैंने देखी है. इट वॉज वेरी नाइस एंड आई एम लाफ वेरी इट्स लाइक अ मेडिसिन. मुझे रिलैक्स मिलता है सर. तो आपको क्या लगता है वरुण कि आपके डैडी है, आप उनके साथ इंस्पायर कर सकते हैं?
मैं उनसे इंस्पायर होता हूँ.
नहीं सर, व्हाट इज योर ड्रीम सर दैट यू कैन बिकम एज अ डैडी?
क्या मेरा ड्रीम है कि मैं उनकी तरह बनूं?
हाँ सर.
डेफिनेटली आई थिंक जितना प्यार उन्होंने कमाया है तो मुझे बहुत वक्त लगेगा, बहुत ज़्यादा जिम्मेदारी है. वो डेफिनेटली बहुत ज़्यादा टैलेंटेड है. वो बहुत, बिकॉज उन्होंने ही डेफिनेटली हैज़ ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. उनको बहुत प्यार मिलता है आम पब्लिक से. और मुझे आज भी जब भी मैं जहाँ जाता हूँ लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि अरे वी लव्ड योर डैड्स फिल्म. एंड एज अ सन I feel so proud about that when people tell me about my father, and because I mean उन्होंने ऐसी फिल्में बनाई जो लोगों को हंसा रहे हैं, and that's something the world has always needed and will always need.
सर, one last question सर. सर, 1 साल में आपने 3 पिक्चर्स किए थे. कभी आपने डांसिंग, एक्शंस और एक्टिंग किए थे. तो आप कभी बहुत एक्साइटमेंट फील कर रहे हो सर कि आप इतने कॉन्फिडेंस हो कि मैं ये रोल कर सकता हूँ, मैं ये डांस कर सकता हूँ?
जेन्युइनली मैं आपको बोलूँ भाई, तो मेरी फट गई थी उस साल में, क्योंकि मैं बहुत डरा हुआ था. मुझे लगा कि यार मेरा प्लान था वो जो आप बोल रहे हो सही बोला था. मैंने सोचा था कि मैं बदलापुर करता हूँ, उसके बाद ABCD करता हूँ, उसके बाद दिलवाले करता हूँ, क्या साल होगा. बट इट वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत लग गई वो करने में और बहुत एग्जॉस्ट हो गया था मैं. एंड दैट्स व्हाई मैंने अगले साल सिर्फ एक ही फिल्म की एंड देन रीजुविनेटेड माई सेल्फ. और इस साल वापस बद्री और जुड़वा 2 के साथ आए हो.
वरुण आपके ठीक सामने. हाय वरुण, सबसे पहले तो कांग्रेचुलेशन.
अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर तू पहले.
अरुण कुमार.
हाँ,
अरुण.
हाँ.
सबसे पहले तो कांग्रेचुलेशन, आपकी फिल्म जुड़वा 2 आ रही है. और
अरे आ रही है तो उसमें कांग्रेचुलेशन दे रहा है.
मतलब लोगों को ट्रेलर और गाने सभी पसंद आ रहे हैं. सवाल ये है वरुण कि करण जौहर की आपने बात की. करण जौहर ने आपको लॉन्च भी किया. उनके ऊपर ये आरोप लगाया जाता है बार बार कि वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ
थोड़ा ऊंचा बोलना अरुण, नहीं सुनाई दे रहा.
वो सिर्फ उनके ऊपर ये आरोप लगाया जाता है कि वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्टार किड को लॉन्च करते हैं.
किनके ऊपर लगाया जाता है?
स्टार किड्स
लगाते हैं उनके आरोप.
करण जौहर.
अरे पर कौन लगाता है आरोप? खुल के बोल.
ओके, कंगना रनौत ने हाल ही में कहा कि
तू तो सवाल पूछ रहा है, जवाब मुझे देना है. तू तो पूछ.
कंगना रनौत ने हाल ही में कहा कि करण जौहर सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्टार किड को लॉन्च करते हैं. तो आप क्या मानते हैं? आपने उनके साथ में काम भी किया है.
उन्होंने अब तक किस किस को लॉन्च किया है? सिर्फ स्टार किड्स ही है ना.
हाँ.
तो वो आरोप थोड़ी है, वो तो सच है। उन्होंने सच बात बोली, बट करण ने बहुत सारे डायरेक्टर्स को भी लॉन्च किया है, जो जैसे शशांक खेतान, जो मेरे बहुत ही क्लोज मित्र है। ही इज फ्रॉम नासिक। उनका कोई लेना देना नहीं था फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से। ही वाज जस्ट अ बॉय हु केम विद अ ड्रीम। उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट दी, करण को पसंद आई, एंड करण सेड आई बिलीव इन दिस बॉय, लेट्स डू इट। एंड उन्होंने फिल्म बनाई। बट एक बात, हाँ, करण ने गिप्पी फिल्म बनाई थी। He launched a girl in that film.
Right.
Correct. जो चिंकी ने डायरेक्ट की थी, गिप्पी। He did.
And Siddharth.
Okay. And सिद्धार्थ थोड़ी ना इंडस्ट्री से है भाई। शकुन भी नहीं है। But to a fair extent, what she's saying is right. I think this whole matter just got blown up. I think she was just trying to get a point across. वो अपने तरीके से कुछ बोलना चाहती थी और फिर लोगों ने बहुत खींच टान लिया। It's cool. होता रहता है। It's like I said, I think हम लोग एक fraternity है। पहले भी बोला था मैंने। And ये
अच्छा वरुण, अभी आपने कहा कि जब प्यार किया तो डरना क्या?
कोर्ट पे बैठ जा।
नहीं, अभी आपने बताया कि प्यार किया तो डरना क्या? तो
प्यार किया तो डरना क्या मैंने बताया या सलमान खान ने बताया?
अभी आपने मतलब
हाँ, मैंने बोला प्यार करते तो डरना नहीं चाहिए।
हाँ,
तो मैं किससे प्यार करता हूँ?
जी बिल्कुल,
आपसे अरुण, आपसे। I love you brother, I love you, you know it। तू जानता है मैं तुझसे प्यार करता हूँ।
Boss, how filmy are you यार?
वो I'm an actor, I have to be filmy। एक्टर बनने के लिए फिल्मी होना ही पड़ेगा ना।
तो क्या वरुण, आप डरते हैं कि आपकी जो पर्सनल लाइफ है उसे मीडिया में उछाला नहीं जाना चाहिए, जो भी कुछ है?
सॉरी
जो अरुण का जो क्वेश्चन था उसी का कंटिन्यूशन है कि आप डरते हैं कि आप का जो पर्सनल लाइफ है या किसी का नाम आपके साथ जुड़ा जाता है, तो क्या आप डरते हैं उस चीज के लिए कि आपके करियर के ऊपर भी इफेक्ट पड़ सकता है?
नहीं, मैं वो वैसे डर नहीं लगता है कि मतलब कोई मेरे साथ आ जाए तो मेरे करियर में कुछ हो जाएगा। वो क्यों होना चाहिए? आई थिंक एक्टर में आई हैव दैट बिलीफ ऑन माई सेल्फ कि अगर मैं किसी के साथ कभी फ्यूचर में शादी करूं या कुछ भी करूं, व्हाई वुड पीपल गेट इफेक्टेड बाय माय मूवीज? वो तो ठीक है। आई थिंक ऑडियंस, अरुण विल स्टिल लव मी, आई बिलीव दैट।
Okay, this will have to be the last question. We're getting feelers.
She's actually in the front and she's asking for a very long time.
Okay, fine.
Hi, Poonam. Hello.
No, we will have an extra mic, no? You need a mic? Oh, yeah. Good. Okay.
ओपन लेटर के जमाने में।
हाँ, ओपन लेटर
का जमाना थोड़ी है, ईमेल का जमाना है, व्हाट्सएप का जमाना है।
नहीं, ओपन लेटर ये स्पेशल है आपके लिए। हाँ।
ओके।
हैंड रिटन लेटर किसने लिखा है आपके लिए? किसी फैन ने हैंड रिटन लेटर लिखा है? बिकॉज सचिन तेंदुलकर ने आज एक पोस्ट की थी या सो टेल मी अबाउट दैट।
आई थिंक बहुत लेटर्स आते हैं। इट्स और जैसे जमाना नहीं है लेटर्स आने के। पीपल कैन ईमेल यू, दे कैन सेंड यू, लाइक रीच यू इन मेनी अदर वेज। बट अभी भी देयर आर फैंस, देयर आर पीपल जो बहुत मेहनत करके मुझे गिफ्ट्स भेजते हैं, जो मुझे लेटर्स भेजते हैं, जो मुझे इतने सारे चीज़ें भेजते हैं विद सो मच लव। एंड दैट मतलब मेरे आई फील सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट लव कि मुझे मैं उदास नहीं होता हूँ। मैं कभी भी कोई भी लेटर ऐसे पढ़ लेता हूँ ना, तो इट मेक्स माई डे ऑनेस्टली, बिकॉज दैट इज प्योर, जस्ट प्योर लव एंड दे डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग इन रिटर्न। उन लोगों को पता भी नहीं है कि उनका लेटर अगर मेरे को पहुंच रहा है नहीं पहुंच रहा है, बट दे आर डूइंग दैट विद दैट प्योर लव एंड that's the best thing about being an actor honestly। जब मैं ऐसी चीजें पढ़ सकता हूँ जो फैंस भेजते हैं मुझे, that is the reason that I feel कि मैं नेक्स्ट दिन 5 बजे या 4 बजे उठूँ या सोऊं भी नहीं, मैं जाके काम करूँ इन लोगों के लिए। It makes me feel very special।
Okay, ladies and gentlemen,
नहीं सब नहीं जा रहे यार, 1-2 लोग गए बस।
Okay, we will have to wrap this session up. It will never.
You will break a heart, man।
Okay, fine. Question, last question.
She'll
Yeah, we will be speaking all night.
She'll troll you if you don't
go for it. Last question.
हाँ जी।
Mike.
आप बोल दो, बस बोल दो। मिनी also saying उनको घर जाना है, आप बोल दो अभी।
नहीं।
Hello sir।
I'm enjoying this immensely.
Okay।
Hello sir।
Hi, how are you? Varun. First you call me Varun, then I'm going to answer.
Varun।
Hi।
Actually my question is recently I read
You are visiting and even funding for the cancer children, and you were also inspired by one of your biggest fan, Rohit. So would you like to share something, like how was your experience?
Basically, ये बहुत true incident है, मैं आप सबको बता देता हूँ. It's just मैं from many years I've been working with Impact Foundation, Tata Memorial Hospital के साथ for cancer care, और उनके children का एक ward है. तो एक दिन जो शालिनी करके there's a helper over there, volunteer, उन्होंने मुझे वहाँ लेके गई and she made me meet all these children. और मैंने इतने खुश faces देखे वहाँ पे. Every child was smiling. और there was so much hope. And the same thing when you see adults, जब कुछ हो जाता है, they're all serious, they're upset, but बच्चे ऐसे नहीं है. That hope is in them, and that's the power of being a child. And because they are unadulterated, उनको जिंदगी ने कुछ किया नहीं अभी तक. And I spoke to them and they knew that they had cancer. तो मैंने पूछा भी कि डर नहीं लगा. Said क्या डर लगेगा, ठीक है ना, मम्मी पापा यहाँ पे है ना, खेलने के लिए मिल जाता है, ये कर लेते, डर नहीं लगता है. So their spirit was perfect. And studies say कि 70%, 70% of kids who have cancer, they can survive it. They have the chance of surviving it because kids don't take that tension. So there's so much to learn from children about that. तो तभी से ये मैंने कुछ काम करना शुरू किया इसके बाद. And there was someone who had started this one small step for cancer, where we are trying to collect an emergency fund जो low income families होगी उनके लिए, कि अगर वो लोग आए और उनको ट्रीटमेंट कराने उनके बच्चों के लिए, वो लोग निराश ना हो जाए, क्योंकि बॉम्बे जैसे सिटी में रहना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. इट्स नॉट इजी, इट्स एक्सपेंसिव. तो वो लोग कैसे रहेंगे? तो ये फंड हम लोग इनके लिए सेटअप कर रहे हैं, जहाँ वो लोग आके वी सेट देम अप केयर के लिए, और फिर टाटा मेमोरियल हॉस्पिटल, इम्पैक्ट फाउंडेशन, दे ऑल वर्क विद देम. सो इट्स जस्ट.
So are you gonna fund from your salary which you are getting from the movies and all?
Salary, मतलब, yeah, I mean that's already done. That's already done.
So we are having one request, please. Yeah. Me and my friends are from Ujjain Khalsa College, and we are waiting for one selfie, group wise. Please, Varun, please. They are a big fan of yours, and we are waiting from 2 hours.
2 hours, okay. Okay, Khalsa College से हो?
Sir, please, Varun, please, one group selfie.
Okay, before मयंक जी से पूछो आप लोग. पहले मयंक जी का नाम, सब लोग मयंक जी का नाम चिल्लाएंगे तो ना तो.
Mayank.
Why are you looking to this? What do I have to do with this? Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
इसके बाद I'll try before going.
Okay, Varun, thank you very much for this. I hope you continue to entertain people. I hope you continue to give people hope. Ladies and gentlemen, the future of stardom, Varun Dhawan. Give it up for him.
Woohoo! And if I may add that if this is the future of stardom, I think we are in very, very safe hands. Varun, I must say this, okay, all hell's broken loose.
Okay.
You know, Varun.
We'll figure it out. We'll get the security guys.
All right, guys. If this hall full of hardened cynics is rooting for Varun Dhawan, he is a bona fide star. I think this was such an endearing, open-hearted chat. And he not just spoke for himself, he carried all the actors of his generation, and I think that's the new cool. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to buy first day, first show tickets to your films, to the Jagran Festival that starts on Monday in Fun Republic, Andheri. And thank you so much for being here tonight.